Hey guys, we're out here at the Houston Golf Games. Out here with Charlie.
Welcome to the Rigger booth, hole number 7. I'm not a big golfer, but I'm enjoying the event intrinsically. We've had a lot of turnout and great communication with the people that were coming by. One of the biggest hit though is the tablitas.
Danny there on the pit working, cooking tablitas that on this pit that Kenergy, one of our customers, provided for us. Custom designed and welded there to shop in Nixon by Kenergy Oilfield Solutions. They take it out to location for their customers and they provide it for us.
We have constant flow of people and gratitude has been the theme so far.
Just trying to keep everybody fed and happy.
But this is just a secret sauce and I'm giving it away for free, guys. So anytime you want to try it the next time, we're here to help. It's been a pleasure to be here. We are enjoying the community. The whole event is great, so I'd like to thank everybody who's sponsoring every hole, everybody who's been here as participants with their teams and their businesses. Great quality of people, great quality of, again, food, and great quality of communication within the tight group of people. So thank you very much, Social Octane, and we're looking forward to the next events.